Hello students, let's continue writing skill, that is the job application with biodata. Yesterday I have taught you one of the example with the format of the job application with biodata, and today we will learn something new. This is the question, student. You are Anand or Aarti of 14 Model Town, Delhi. You have seen an advertisement in The Hindu. This is the name of newspaper. As I have mentioned you that you must write down your job application according to the advertisement you have seen in particular daily newspaper for the post of chief chef in a 5-star hotel. Apply for the job with complete biodata. Write in 125 to 150 words. It means your job application must be concluded in about 150 words. So students, here is the answer for the question. First of all, in your format you will mention the sender address according to the question here. 14 Model Town, Delhi. 14 Model Town, New Delhi. Delhi 110009. 12th August, suppose it is 2020. The HR manager, Hotel Meridian, 10 Resina Road, New Delhi 110001. This is the receiver address. After leaving the space, you will mention the subject, application for the post of chief chef. Then your salutation, sir. In response to your advertisement in The Hindu, dated, you must mention the date on which day you have seen the advertisement in which newspaper. 10th August 2020. I wish to apply for the post of chief chef. I am having 3-year diploma in hotel management from the Pusa Institute, one of the best institutions of the country in this line. In addition, I have a total of 10 years experience in various 5-star hotels. Currently, I am working as the chief chef in another 5-star hotel. I am enclosing my biodata, one testimonial and attested copies of my certificates. Yours faithfully, Anand Singh Sidhu. Maybe Aarti is also here. That will be mentioned according to the question, students. You know very well. Then enclosed biodata, testimonial, attested copies of certificates are here. So student, I just want to tell you one thing that regarding to this question, here is mentioned the name of the institute, Pusa Institute, that belong to the courses like hotel management. So you just use your intelligence. If you are attempting the same question or other questions, suppose the placement for an engineer, placement for an accountant, so you must use your intelligence, and which kind of institute belong to the same courses you have to mention here in place of this institute. So now the time for the biodata. Name Anand Singh Sidhu, father's name Sandeep Sidhu, address 14 Model Town, Delhi, date of birth 2nd October whatever, and email address and the marital status, that is unmarried or married maybe. And here is, yesterday we have mentioned your academic qualification and your other qualification like this, educational qualification, and here the extra qualification you have mentioned in the same list. Today this type of biodata is mentioned. First of all, name of exam, then the name of college from there you have passed out, year of passing, and how much percentage you have got, and then your high secondary, name of the institute or university, college, etc., year and the percentage. Then work experience, as you have mentioned that you have approx 10 years of experience doing the work as chief chef. So you must mention the name of the different hotels you belong to, you worked as before. Hotel Taj Palace, Delhi, Hotel the Maurya, Delhi 1 2 3 4, and then post hired chief chef, then the chef and the shift in charge chef. Now from which period you have to mention current time and the nature of duties you have been fulfilled. Then the language known, it is very important in the field of hotel management. You must be very used to having English, Hindi or some other language also. The strength, highly developed sense of smell, crisis management. And reference, Mr. Sandeep Khurana, chief chef, Hotel Moria, Delhi. Mobile number is mentioned here. So student, this is another example for your writing skill, that job application and close with biodata. And you must write down these examples in your notebook, because this is not only important part for your syllabus in class 11 but as well as in class 12 also. Please write down in your notebooks very carefully, and tomorrow we will do the next example related to the same writing skill. Goodbye.